Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel in Glam Beauties. I hope you all are doing well, and today in this video I'm going to teach you how to drap Mumtaz style sari with normal sari. So if you are interested or you want to know, then please go ahead in the video, and if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So now let's move on to the video. So guys, for today's video I have selected this sari for draping Mumtaz style sari. So first of all, you have to do basic tucking of the sari and keep in mind the borders. After that, you have to put a round of the sari. Then after one round, you have to stop and elevate the sari while doing a little setting. And after that, you have to put a round like this on the sari. Then after second round, you have to stop and set the sari a little higher. And in this way, again one round has to be put. The sari has to be rounded till the right length of pallu is found. The roundings of your saris depend on the size of your waist or the length of your sari. And when you get the right length of pallu, then you have to bring the sari from the back side to the shoulder with very neat pleats. And then secure it with a safety pin. And when you secure the pallu with your safety pin, only this will be your final look. So guys, I hope you like this Mumtaz style draping video. So guys, if you like the video, then definitely give a like, and now I will meet you all in my next video. So till then, take care and bye bye.